Hello everyone and welcome back. In today's tutorial, I'll show you how to access Google Flow step by step. If you're wondering where to find Google Flow and how to open it on your PC or laptop, this guide will walk you through the entire process. Let's get started. First, open your preferred web browser, such as Google Chrome, Microsoft Edge, or Firefox. Make sure your internet connection is stable because Google Flow is a web-based AI video creation tool. Next, go to the official Google Flow website. Once the page loads, click the asterisk sign in *** button if you're not already logged into your Google account. Enter your Google account credentials and complete the sign-in process. After signing in, you'll be taken to the Google Flow dashboard if your account has access. From here, you can view your projects, create new AI video projects, and explore the available tools. If you can't access Google Flow, there are a few things you should check. First, make sure you're using the correct Google account. Some Google AI features may only be available for specific accounts, regions, or subscription plans. If you don't see Google Flow after signing in, your account may not have access yet. You should also make sure you're using an updated web browser. Older browser versions can sometimes cause compatibility issues. Refresh the page or try opening Google Flow in another browser if the website doesn't load properly. If the page still isn't opening, check your internet connection and try again after a few minutes. Occasionally, Google services may experience temporary issues, so waiting and trying later can also solve the problem. Once you successfully access Google Flow, you'll be ready to create your first project, write AI prompts, generate videos, and manage all of your work from the dashboard. And that's it. Accessing Google Flow is quick and easy once your account is eligible. In the next tutorial, we'll create our first project and start making AI videos. Thanks for watching. If you enjoyed this tutorial, don't forget to like this video, subscribe to the channel, and turn on notifications for more Google Flow guides. See you in the next one.